Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Teacher Ben. Welcome for this lesson. Now, in this lesson, we are going to talk about our secondary sources as we saw earlier on in the other lesson where we talked about the primary sources. Now, secondary sources, we say that these are sources that summarizes, interprets, or analyzes primary sources. As we said in the other lesson, that primary sources, that these are sources that gives first-hand information direct and gives direct experience of the event at the exact time when it happened. Now, these primary sources, no, these secondary sources, they come up and break the other primary sources since the primary sources they give raw data uh, information which is not interpreted. But if for the case of secondary sources, they interpret, summarizes, and analyzes these sources. Now, we have got some characteristics of primary. We have some characteristics of secondary sources. I mean, that I have some slide here I want to share with you. Uh, the slide which talks of the secondary sources. So, the characteristics here, one, we say that uh, they evaluate information. Two, say they are interpretative. This is what we said earlier on the secondary sources. The sources that summarizes, interprets, or analyzes primary sources. And then we go for the second one, as I said that, or we talk of the characteristics of secondary sources. One, we say interpretative, evaluation, summarizes, and contextual. What do we mean by this, by all of these? One, we say interpretative, that involves analysis, synthesis, or evaluation. It it gives analysis to the search information that you are looking for, or at the same time it can evaluate and synthesis to the information. Two, we talk of the evaluation, offers opinions or assessments based on the evidence. It gives the exact thing, it breaks it and brings in the exact way the thing happened, and then summarizes. We talk over summarizes, connects various primary sources. It gathers information from different sources and enables you to make a stronger conclusion or a stronger solution to your research. Then lastly, we talk of the contextual. This one here, that the secondary sources, they contextualizes the primary data within the broader trends, movements, or histories. It, it combines all of them and forms a stronger points, stronger solution to the given problem you're addressing. Two, and then lastly, we talk of the examples of these secondary sources. What constitutes of the second? Where can we get this information? One, we talk of books. Now, when we talk of books, we talk of the historical books, we talk of the journal articles, and we talk of the biography. And then two, we talk of the documents. Which documents? One, two, we talk of the articles that analyzes primary data. We talk of the literature, the literature views. And then now, when we come and talk about the essays and the reviews, we talk of the movies or book reviews that interpret the content of work. And then, under still essays and reviews, we talk of the critical essays that provide analysis of a literary work. And then, lastly, we talk of the encyclopedias. Encyclopedias here, they summarize and gives you well-established knowledge about uh, the topic of your research. Hello, brothers and sisters. For today, I would like us to stop here. Thank you for being with me, and always thank you for being my followers. I remain as Teacher Ben. The rest we shall continue from here. The rest are still coming, and you will like it. Thank you so much for being with